In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link records and add lookup fields in Airtable. If you've ever wanted to streamline your data management and enhance the connections within your databases, this is definitely the tutorial for you. We'll be covering everything step by step, making it easy for you to follow along and implement these techniques in your own Airtable workspace. Let's get started by navigating to the Airtable website. Once there, you'll find an option to sign in to your account. So go ahead and click on that. After entering your login credentials, proceed by clicking on Continue to access your Airtable dashboard. If you're not yet familiar with the interface, no worries, it's designed to be intuitive and you'll soon get the hang of it. Next, you'll want to choose the specific table where you wish to link records. Once you've identified your desired table, click on it to open. You'll notice a plus sign located to the right side. This symbol indicates where you can add a new field. Click on this plus sign to begin the process of linking records. Now, think of a suitable name for your new field. For example, let's use the name link for clarity, but feel free to choose whatever makes sense for your project. With the field named, the next step is to define the field type. Choose the option to link to another record, which enables linking between different tables. Carefully select the table that you want to establish a connection with. This is crucial for ensuring your database remains organized and that links are functional. As we proceed, you'll encounter toggle options related to your link settings. Take a moment here to determine what best fits your needs, whether it's allowing for multiple links or setting display preferences. Once you've made your selections, click on Create Field. This action finalizes the linking setup and integrates the necessary fields into your table. Now that you've successfully established a link, revisit the toggle options if needed to ensure all settings align with your intended use. You might find it useful to add additional fields to the link table, which can provide supplemental data references and enrich your database connections. Implementing these features in Airtable not only enhances the organization of your data, but also improves efficiency, making it easier to retrieve and correlate information across different tables. Take your time to explore different configurations and don't hesitate to make adjustments as your needs evolve. And that's it for today's tutorial on linking records and adding lookup fields in Airtable. I hope you found this informative and easy to follow. By mastering these steps, you can greatly improve the utility and functionality of your Airtable databases, taking your data management skills to the next level. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and productivity tips.